Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. Now today I am sharing DIY back to school rainbow themed notebook, bookmark and pen holder. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started with our first DIY, that is rainbow themed notebook. For this DIY, you will need a notebook. Then measure size of your notebook and then cut out golden sparkle paper which will perfectly fit front of your notebook. Then I am using this Mod Podge glue to stick sparkle paper on notebook. Next, apply glue on notebook using flat paintbrush and then stick paper on top. Now put something heavy on top and let it dry completely. Now take some pastel rainbow shade cardstocks and cut them in strips according to measurement of your notebook. I cut mine to 0.5 inches. Now glue them on notebook with Mod Podge glue like I am showing here. Now seal everything with a layer of Mod Podge on top and let it dry completely. Next, take a white cardstock to draw cloud shape. Now cut that out with the help of a scissor. Now stick this cloud border on rainbow notebook with liquid glue. Now I am outlining cloud border with blue marker to give it some depth. Now this tape is completely optional, but I want to make this notebook extra cute by adding a cute little kawaii face with black marker. Here I am adding some blush with pink marker. Also adding eyelash to make this cloud a girl. And our super cute pastel rainbow notebook is ready to take notes. Now next DIY is matching rainbow bookmark for our notebook. For this DIY, take a same gold glitter cardstock we used earlier in this video and then cut out thin strips of pastel rainbow cardstocks. Now stick these strips on gold cardstock like we did earlier. Next, cut out extra bits of paper with the help of a scissor. Now make a cute cloud for the bookmark. Now stick this cloud on a rainbow with the help of a liquid glue and our super adorable pastel rainbow bookmark is ready. Now next DIY is rainbow theme pencil or pen holder. For this DIY, you will need a piece of white felt. Mine measures 4.5 by 15 inches. Next, place pens or pencils you want to keep in this pouch and make sure to leave some space on both the sides. Also measure height of the pouch according to your pens and mark that with the help of a pencil. Now fold the felt on the mark line and seal both the edges with hot glue like I am showing here. If you don't have hot glue gun at home, then you can also use fabric glue. Now take satin ribbons in rainbow shades and cut out equal strips of it. Now stick them on flap of the pouch with hot glue or fabric glue like I am showing here. Now for closure, I am using these velcro dots which already have sticky back. Now to make this pouch extra adorable, I am drawing a kawaii face on it with the help of a fabric paint and dotting tool. And our super cute cloud and pastel rainbow pencil pouch is ready to store your favorite pen or pencils. Rainbow bookmark and cloud theme pen holder is my personal favorite. Let me know which DIY you like the most in the comment section down below. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!